pretty decent. That's like 3.
How many beers would you say that is?
That's like 3. 2.5, 3.
2.5, 3.
That's not 3.
That's 2.5 or 3.
2.
Because I saw it.
1 goes to
2.
right.
No, 2 was like here. I saw it with the phone going.
It's true. This is probably 3 beers.
No, that's not 2 beers.
Yeah, dude, that's totally 3
That's a lot
beers.
of beer.
That's not even a can of beer. A can of beer.
Bullshit. All right, after this we'll figure it out.
Yeah.
Yeah, after this, you want to see how much this actually is?
Yeah, dude, if you pour 1 beer in there, it'll be like, here.
No, not at all.
Is that recording?
Yeah.
Hey, just so you know.
Hey.
Look at this.
Yeah, I'm recording.
That's
So you
not.
It's dark. It's dark.
I'm
Look
about
at
to
that.
warm up on a full one.
He's gonna. Oh yeah. All right, we'll see. We'll see if Joe can actually do it.
We're gonna do it. I'm gonna do
And he's
it.
got charger.
Me, myself, and I, you
dead without my
motherfucker.
phone.
That was fast. That was a beer. That was 1 beer.
That was good.
That was 1 beer.
That was more than one.
Fucking champion.
I'll give you a high five. Yeah. That's pretty sexy.